What's up, y'all? Chris Jordan. Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't made a video in like 3 days. I have a ton of videos ready to be made and posted, but I just haven't had time to post them. But anyways, I'm going to go over the video. As you can see, I'm up 1,300 or 1,400 on the day on these combine accounts. Obviously, I have 2 other accounts following it. So 3 accounts. I'm up 52,566, so I only need about $400 next time I trade to basically pass all 3 combines at one time. So let's get into why I took this trade and how simple it was. Number one, because this wasn't here, so number one, you know how sometimes when you see me trading or you see my chart and there's all these blue lines or whatever somewhere, it's simply because I marked those areas as previous support and resistance. So I woke up this morning and there was this huge move up. Like, I woke up at 8:15. My alarm when I get up to trade is at 8:15 a.m. I don't wake up 30 minutes early or an hour early, 2 hours early, anything. I wake up at 8:15 a.m. and I trade market open. That's it. So I seen this and I was like, dang, this is a huge move up, right? But it's hitting one of my lines, blue line. So if this blue line is here, this must have been a previous key level or resistance level. So what I did was I went to the 1 hour, went to the 4 hour. Let me reset the chart because on this screen it's small. And I must have marked this up a couple days ago. So this was January 6th. So I must have marked this up January 6th, and I must have took a trade somewhere here where it sold off, right? So I already had this marked up. I already had this level marked up. So then I was like, okay, it may reject a little bit at the 8:15, 8:30, at 8:15 when it hits this line. At first it went past it, so I thought it was gonna keep going up, but I thought it was gonna reject a little bit, which it did. Now, what was another reason why I looked to sell this off and why I continue selling off? Also a psychological level. So we got close to 21,700. So it didn't get all the way there, but it was close enough. And I noticed when this candle was about to end, there was huge resistance pushing it down. So I kind of had the feeling we were going to sell. I got in for like a market order here, and we ended up selling off, and it's still selling off. I honestly could have passed the combine today, but I decided not to because I believe that you can't make more than 50% of the combine account. So if you're doing a 50,000 account, you got to make 3,000. You can't. I can't make 1,500 or 1,600 on basically one day because it wants to have a consistency rule. Because last time I did that, when I passed in like 2 or 3 days, I made like 1,500 the first day, about 1,700 second day. Now I thought I was technically done, but they was like, no, you got to make like 500 more or whatever because you got to be consistent. So that's the only reason I didn't not trade or stay in this, because this is a huge move now, right? So here goes my journal. Give you guys my performance stats. Look at this, 2,500. 92.86 win rate. 92%, y'all. So clearly I know what the fuck I'm doing. And my average loss is always higher because when I first started trading this account, I was trading risky. I was trading like 2, 3 contracts. But then obviously once I took like a huge loss, I went back to what I normally do, where I trade with a micro size first, 1 micro size, 1 contract, and then if it goes that direction and it's going that way and there's strong momentum, I'll trade with a regular size contract for NQ, but only 1 contract, right? Here's the stats again. Best trade 867. This should have been like 1,000 because this is from today, as you can see. But when I clicked it, it dropped back to 867. Worst trade 585. I got out of that. That was on the 15th. And as you can see, I always mess up when I'm in a trade for 1 to 2 minutes. But anything that's lower than that, 2 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 30, I am good. And as you see, 577, 611, 13, 1400 basically. And like I said, on these, I could have made more money on these trades, but like I said, I'm looking for those huge moves. Like today, today's example was a huge move, or an example of a huge move. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in joining the free trading community, click the link down in the description below. It's completely free. I'm going to be creating content. I've already started. I just haven't had time to post it. You can click the link down below in the description. What else was I going to say? And I have like 2 or 3 videos coming out. 1 or 2 subscribers asked me about making a video about key levels, how I mark them up. So I'll make a video on that too. That's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.